just
All right, let me do that again.
okay. So I need to switch.
Yes, as soon as you have your
understood.
bearish candle close here, and it failed here, so this become your buy range. As soon as we have the failure here, you switch to sell down to this level. We have a bullish confirmation for a buy. It's level.
Yeah, makes sense now.
See that now?
Okay. I'll
So let's check the M1 for all of these things I just said. Now let's check the M1 and see how we can make sense of it. Yeah. At entry levels, at entry. See. Yo, we do that. Do that. So let's check the M1. Where I don't even know where this stuff. Okay. Yeah. So we had this. This was your bearish candle close for a sell. Remember?
Okay. Yeah.
You wanted to sell here at the extreme, correct?
You
wanted to sell at the extreme, correct? So what happened here was, what was this time? 7 o'clock.
Okay,
so if I took, say, yeah, so price took out this level. See that? Price took out this stuff. See that now? I guess this was a sell candle, took it out, and then we engage this sell. On my broker, that should be a sell candle.
Okay. Okay, so this is the valid. Valid
so now, exactly. So you sold here. This level is not meant to break. Remember? Of course, this was during Asia, so I will not be taking this.
Also,
this level was not meant to break. Exactly. Or better still, if this was not a sell candle, if this was not,
but only problem if this is not external liquidity.
No, this was not an external liquidity. So if this was not a double, like, let's assume this was, let's even say this is structural. This was our first reaction. It was not a double inducement reaction. So let's say it price took it out from this level. Yeah, this was supposed to be our real sell area for continuation sell, correct? Yeah. So what happened? Failed. I told you that this level is not meant to be taken, correct?
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Price took it out from this point.
I saw where I made mistake. This is
so where do you think your next buy should come from? These levels, yeah? I told you it fails, you switch.
Yeah.
So we had our buy here. This was not supposed to fail. What happened? Failed. Failed.
It fails. Yeah.
So why not switching from here? From these levels? We had, I think, let's check some. I can't trade this. There's a lot of gaps here. So in fact, this was
but it's like midnight.
Yeah. So let's check our London. Let's check London. So let's check London. So can I clear these charts?
Yeah, you can.
Clear that.
So the only so I think the only win I had was selling this.
All right, that was the only win you had, yeah?
Yeah. This is the only win I had.
We're tired of buying.
And this one covered all my L's there.
Yeah.
But
that's the beauty
like
of it.
but other day, like today, I had 1 L. But I will show you.
No problem. We're still.
Yeah. Let's continue day by day. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
But what like I was angry because as I showed you, this was all valid.
Yeah.
But okay, now I got the point.
Yeah, okay. So we have price during Asia. Let's see where Asia is. So Asia ended here. So you see, we already had the break in Asia. This bullish candle.
Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's okay.
All right, so cool. I said we already had a break during Asia.
All right.
Yeah, we already had a break during Asia. So let's check the M1.
Right?
The same thing
M1,
I told,
exactly.
the same thing I told you. The sweep. Let's see what M1 got for us at that level. Let's see what the M1 has for us at that level. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we are there.
Yep, we are.
Yeah, we have something, but it was kind of far away.
So let's see. I want to show you something. So we have this level. This was the liquidity level too.
Yeah. H4
Lowest
something.
point. This day was a very rough one. Was a rough one, man. So,
but look at this beauty of cells.
Yeah.
If you can.
So we had this. So price just melts into these levels here.
Yeah, every day.
So I told you, I said at the extreme. Yeah, at the extreme, what I'm looking for is the same M1 stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's the same M1 stuff. But this is what I also do. I'm coming. If you have like a structure within my level, sorry. What do I do here? I don't know why I kept doing. If you have like a structure like we had, this was the last order flow for the buy. Remember?
Yeah.
This one. Yeah, so this is where this is what I consider as my extreme. Yeah.
Okay.
Last order flow. So that's it. Yeah.
Okay, I can see the buy.
You can see it now. So when price came here, gave us the bullish candle, and the bullish candle failed here, and then price took out the last order flow. So we had this reaction, this bullish stuff here, correct? We had this bullish move.
Shit. So easy.
Exactly. Taking out here,
and then
gotten on this buy here,
and then
failed.
this.
Exactly. You see that?
Yeah.
So that was it. So price came for these levels again. I'm looking for the same thing. So I'm looking for the same thing. So remember, this becomes your last area because we took out liquidity. Is you target something, yeah. So we had this liquidity level here. We're looking for the same thing, reaction, but we didn't have a double reaction. So we had this.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Gotten in here. We'd have gotten in here.
Wait. No, I can see why.
This is the H1. This is the structural low.
Which one? This one.
Okay. This we're talking about this. Sorry, we're talking about this lowest point here. That's a swing point.
Okay, understood. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that was what I was looking for. So we had the reaction failure. So this would have been your buy.
Okay. That
would have been your buy.
Are you sure? Because you see, price swept this one, so we should wait for another, right?
This yeah. This was the last point. We're talking about this one. We had the buy reaction, the first buy. Then it took it out and then swept a liquidity, the next liquidity level, which is also
so we
perfect.
need to wait.
Yeah, no, you don't have to wait because we had the reaction already. The first reaction. So it failed and took out more liquidity, which also makes it valid for more buys. You understand that? It makes it valid for the buy reaction. I got in on this trade. Yeah, makes it valid for buy. So as soon as this level was violated, what happens? What happens as soon as it's violated? Yeah, you switch your bias. So at what point will you switch your bias? Let me show you. Because we had price come back to this point here and bought. No. That wasn't it, bro. So we had this. If it was a straight break, I would take this. Yeah, we had other flows here. Buy. Price came and attempted to buy here, failed. So
but what about what about, so I'm seeing a little before, so I see, okay, price continue, right?
Yeah.
Price should continue there.
Exactly.
And it's and it failed.
It failed there.
So this is the failure.
This is it. Yeah. This is it.
Okay.
See that now?
But,
so this was it.
So and this is liquidity. So for sell, like
exactly.
If it, stop loss should be above this.
Exactly.
Okay.
Above. Just cover the entire stuff. 6 pips. There the 6 pips. Yeah. You target the higher time frame liquidity.
Yeah, as long as RR is good.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Even 20 pips.
Yeah, exactly. So cool. So what happened? We just kept violating the lows. This point here, price took it out. What happened? Do we have a bullish? Let's check if we have a bullish H1 bullish candle at these levels.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
We don't have any. No, we didn't.
Yeah, there was some rejection, but
yeah.
So
this was
so when price rejected, okay.
Yeah.
So I'm very I'm how to say that, like I can see my progression because I took 2 or 3 L's and then I stopped trading. Okay, this is And when price, for example, price I don't know, I was in the buy there, just for example, price took me out and these things happen. Like let's say I know that because of the bearish candle we should
continue
take it down. Exactly. And my selling point was there. So I was so frustrated, because this was the failure. So I wanted to see this. But it never.
No, the problem.
I never get that.
Yeah, the problem here is because of this liquidity that has been taken here, these liquidity levels here that has been taken, that didn't give us the bullish candle close. Price may not come back for this mitigation. Price may not come back for this mitigation. It can use whatever it's created here for continuation until price takes out a higher time frame stuff before we can get this mitigation we are looking for. You see that now?
Yeah.
So that's you just kept looking at POY, but you are neglecting liquidity.
Yeah, that's true.
You get it now?
So yeah, and then I don't know, but I think I saw this.
Yeah, very valid. So let's mark out the extreme point.
Yeah,
let's mark out the extreme point and watch what 1M does there. It's that simple.
Yeah, I didn't use it. I just use reaction.
Yeah. So let's check the M1.
Sorry.
It was not meant to break as it were. Where is it? Okay. So we had our bullish candle close at that level. Correct?
Correct.
So bullish candle close. This was supposed to hold for a buy.
What a beautiful buy was there.
Yeah, a beautiful buy. So this was supposed to buy, it failed, took out liquidity. What happened? We had first reaction, break,
yeah,
and then we
see. I see it now. Yeah.
And let me also tell you, you can have forced reaction, break, yeah, and then another break. If you have another break like this, this is not meant to be taken. This is supposed to do like it's supposed to continue selling like this. If it breaks, you switch immediately.
Okay.
Sorry,
yeah, understood.
If you ever have a third break, if you ever have a third break, this is not meant to be taken.
Yeah, understood. And then just switch the bias.
If price takes it out, just switch immediately. Don't waste your time. Yeah. So this was a beautiful one. Here. Remember, we took out higher time frame liquidity here, correct?
Yeah.
So it's going to be targeting something on the higher time frame, correct?
Yeah.
So I'll be looking out for this to be taken. Of course, but I've also taken out a lot of. Please excuse me, 1 minute.
Okay, no problem.
All right, I'm back, man.
Okay.
So we'll be targeting. How realistically I'll be targeting this?
Does that mean that you would take break even there?
Where?
If you were in this buy.
Which of the buys?
The one that you marked.
This one, I can't take a break even, man. This even if I'm targeting this liquidity, man, as soon as it gets to this last order flow for the sale, I'm going to take my.
Okay.
I'm going to take like a huge chunk of my volume.
Okay. Understood.
So cool. Let's check the H1. Remember, H1 is our guide for liquidity.
Yeah.
So let's check the H1. So what do we have? We are expecting these levels to go. We are also expecting a bearish candle close. If we have a bearish candle close, what it means is that we are going to be trading from the extreme of it. Becomes
but look at I again, remember this one. So okay, I have this and this. Okay, I have my bullish candle close.
Yeah.
Okay, but I was aware. Let's say, I was looking for extreme to look for the sell, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have marked this one as my supply.
Okay.
Price did bearish candle.
Okay.
So I wanted to take extreme, right?
Yeah.
This is my first L. Okay. Then, okay, I ignore, and then I wanted to take extreme of this.
All right.
Then another L. Let's say I don't remember. And when this happened, I'm not even.
Yeah. Okay. Let me tell you where your mistake was. Liquidity. Correct.
Okay.
Liquidity taking. So what will price most likely target? Liquidity. Correct. I agree. I agree with you. I agree with you 100%.
External.
I agree with you 100%. We had bearish candle close. Correct.
Inside of this supply, right?
Exactly. So now let me show you what you didn't pay attention to, basically.
Okay.
Your every H1 candle close has liquidity above of it. So if price is buying and prints a bearish candle close, right? This is liquidity. All right. We are meant to have this.
Exactly. And so, even like, when I see bearish candle close and got swept inside my supply.
Yeah.
Oh man, 100. You mean?
Yeah.
This is what I was really frustrating about this. That's why I said, like, these things reminds me when I was with Bucks. So I don't know, like I have 20 trades and 18 of them was the the valid, you know.
All right, let me show
What
you
the fuck?
where.
Like what?
Let me show you where you were actually wrong. So we had
Okay.
liquidity taken here. We had bearish candle close. I don't have a doubt that this was a valid sell. But as soon as it failed here, why are you selling? I only sell at another liquidity sweep.
So the crucial thing is this.
Yeah. So this was supposed to continue selling from here. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to be looking for the sell above this. Yeah. Also looking for buys. No, the moment this was taken, if this was not taken, I'll be looking for buys within these levels. But as soon as this was taken, I'll be looking for buys at the extreme.
Okay.
Waiting for these levels to be taken.
I have a question.
Right.
Can you remove your okay? So okay, let's say price took this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is our external liquidity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and price reacted there, right?
Yeah.
It failed.
Yeah. Where did it fail? It failed here. It failed here. It was respected here.
Okay. All right. Yeah, like let's say this is the high.
Yeah.
Of the structure. Okay, so not this one, but this one. Let's say
Yeah.
it will be easier. Okay, then I can aggressively sell there.
Exactly.
Okay.
I want us to use the M1 principle.
M1.
Yeah, let's use the M1 principle at these levels.
But let me show you something.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to sell, but I'm aware because of this zone, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But look at this. So this, I got the bearish candle close. And now I have like the zone for the sell and zone for the buy, right?
The reason why I will not be buying here, let me show you. The reason why I will not be buying here.
Okay, because external liquidity get taken.
Yeah, the extreme is the more valid place.
Okay, so this thing.
Yeah.
So when this taken, this is our target, right?
This is our first target. This low.
Why?
Because this is where the sell candle failed to sell continue. It could come back to this low.
This is H1 flip.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, understood. But let's say if price didn't, it did make pullback, but it's not visible on H1. Okay.
It's not what?
Then visible.
Okay.
I mean, like it just rejection, but the bullish one.
Yeah. Okay.
Then this is our target.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
I got so many.
The moment external liquidity is taken, your first target should be, because the moment this happened,
extreme of the next.
Yes, at the point where the last sell failed, or at the point where the last sell failed, that would be your first
extreme
target.
of that.
Exactly.
Area.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. So because you could get a very good reaction from there, just like we had here. So now let's walk through the H1 and see the structure. So we had sweep here, rejection back at this level. This level maintained that. We had our break here. Look for our H1, our M1 stuff at this level. First target is this low, which was swept. We are supposed to look for M1 for a buy. It failed. We continue selling. So this low.
So sorry. I have a question. Okay, so H1 flip hold, right?
Yeah.
It gives bullish candle.
Yep.
Look for the buy.
Sweep. You can also look for the sell. If it aligns with your M1.
Okay, but let's say we sold.
Okay.
This is our first target.
Yeah, for a sell, correct. The extreme.
Yeah, so this one.
Yep. Exactly.
And then when this got taken,
yeah,
we could
look for M1.
For the M1 to buy.
Buy, exactly.
Okay.
So
all right.
As soon as it failed, what happened? You switch. M1. Okay, let's mark. We had our H1. We had our bullish candle.
I think I had this as well.
So yeah. So these are bullish candle failure. You would have taken the sell to this next liquidity.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Liquidity.
The reason why I'm not considering this low is because we already had H1 market structure at this level. If this buy was supposed to continue, this buy was supposed to continue at this level. So if it's coming down, we know that this liquidity will be taken here. I'm not going to be buying at the extreme. I'm going to wait for it to be taken.
And I'll show you I remember else as well. Okay, so this, okay?
Yeah.
You see, so trying to buy.
Yeah, failed. Why didn't you switch?
Yeah, but I switch. But
you wouldn't have switched when it has taken liquidity.
Yeah, I like I learned by
the
hard way.
The moment liquidity is taken, your switch becomes your target. You understand that? You would have switched as soon as this guy was gone. You would have switched here, target liquidity. If it's coming back, you just watch price, what price does here, because already you have an entry here. So if it takes out this level, you switch here.
Yeah, understood. But the thing is that I seen this one. I'm not gonna lie. So, but I see this
flip.
one as well. Not the flip, because like if I'm looking at the structure, right?
Yeah.
This is the structure point.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's why. So if price took this one, sorry, this should be at least liquidity.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Liquidity. And when this price took, then we can sell.
Yeah, I was in this sell here. I didn't get in on this buy, missed it, but I got in on this buy, then got in on this sell.
And I think, I'm not sure if I did, but you see this, you see what I got. Bearish candle close.
You see, sometimes you're waiting for the bearish candle close, but the liquidity has been taken. Sometimes price comes back to it and it fails. Yeah. So you that is waiting for it to trade from here, you're already having a failure. Then you can as well switch. Yeah.
But this is like, okay, but for example, if I took L there, and then another L there, I really don't want to trade anymore.
Yeah, I get
even if I'm right about direction, like.
Yeah, I get your point. So
that's what.
So one of the things you want to start looking out for is, has liquidity been taken? Yes.
At least what would be the target?
The moment liquidity is taken, the extreme of your zone becomes the target. So this liquidity was taken, so this is your target. So price is going to be looking for something around here to sell, continue. If you don't have the sell, you switch immediately. Yeah.
Can you zoom in to see if he gets M1?
Okay, on M1, yeah, I was going to do that for you.
Okay.
Let's do the M1 now. Okay, so I already had my
first we need to mark.
Yeah, so I want to mark my swing point, the H1 swing point. Yeah, exactly. So we have this. So even this switch here, we have this one here. We also have this guy here, correct? We also have this liquidity here. So let's see, and also have this guy here.
Yeah.
So let's do the M1. I caught the sell on EU, but my broker was dealt me. Took me out, and then they had the massive.
Really?
So this was your point of sell, I guess.
We were no. We were. I think we were there, right? To do.
All right, so let's do this. I wanted to. Okay, let's do this.
Yeah, because this was price failed, right?
Yeah,
and I was looking for the buy there.
Yeah, so the M1 failed here. Sorry, the H1. Is it H1? Yeah.
H1, yeah.
Failed. So the M1 can be very tricky at times, so you just be flexible. Yeah, flexible. So we had the break here. You see that? We had the break here.
Yeah, I can see
bullish candle, swept, entry.
Yeah.
Correct. Was not supposed to fail. Remember?
Does that? Yeah, but does that mean that you would take an L there, or you would take break even?
Well, here I'll take a break even. Yeah. After this, no, I'll take a break even, not an L, because I'm trying to catch this reversal. Correct. I'm trying to catch a reversal. So price, the third time failed at this point. Yeah. So you switch. Correct.
Yeah.
So liquidity taking here. What happened? I was actually waiting for this to happen.
Yeah.
But it didn't happen anyways. So
yeah,
I just assumed that's my missed trade, or rather.
Yeah, and there, max 15 minutes. Okay.
You have 10 minutes. Yeah, there's no problem. No problem. It's fine.
Yeah, because I need to go on training. Sorry.
There's no problem. So let's just do a quick run on this one.
Yeah, I see. Like there's no entry.
Is that?
There is no entry.
Yeah, on this one, yeah, there was no entry. So this was there. Sorry, I can't hear you. Network is poor.
Is it?
Hello?
Is it good now?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. I said like I can see clearly there is no entry. This went far away with
exactly.
that bullish momentum.
Yeah, there was no entry on this one. So cool. But there was entry on this, and I will show you why I have that as an entry. So basically, what I
remember it. I was about to click. I was arguing click or no. It was outside of my timing. That's why I skipped it. I saw this. I'm not gonna lie. But because of this, I wanted to get swept right before my timing. That's what I'm.
Yeah, I wanted to take that too, but I wanted it to sweep. I wanted to sweep this guy before I get in, but it didn't happen. Let's check the M15. There's something I'm looking for. I want to know why. Because we are coming from a strong liquidity level, so that's the reason why we are having that kind of reaction. So this was the reason for the buy. This was the reason for the buy. So, but what I would have done is
it should continue, right?
Yes, it should continue at this level. At this point, it should. Yeah. So I'm also flexible. I'm also flexible with M1 and 15 minutes, especially when H1 and 15 minutes, especially when H1 is not clear enough. Like just like in the case, yes, just like in the case where we didn't have like our reaction here. So if price is coming back, like I don't have any POI here to trade the buys from. Yeah. So I want to look for something on the yes, the 15M or something, because I know if price is coming from this, they may not come back to this level anymore, because this has taken liquidity already. That's taking liquidity here, taking liquidity again, and we have this reaction. They may not come back to this level. And in fact, if they come back here, it is just going to sell off. So I didn't get in on this one, but I got in on this one that made so much sense to me. So let's go to the M1. It made so much sense to me. Yeah, makes so much sense. You see that? So I had our sell candle after the sweep. Price just went boom. In fact, it was this that convinced me that we are going to have one more sweep. This momentum, after price pushed away like that, I said, okay, when price bought, I guess this was a liquidity level. I don't know. Yeah, took out those liquidity and came back. To these levels here. So when price came back to these levels, I was watching, because of course I know a lot of us were waiting for this level.
Yeah.
Correct? Waiting for this level to buy. Now, this was what I used. This was my last order flow for the sell. If price was supposed to sell continue, this should be the point. Correct? Yeah, this should be the point for the sell continuation.
Okay.
Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So when price was here, I just watched price. I didn't trade, I just watched price. I had this first buy, first indication that the bullish momentum is still there. Then when price swept it, because this was coming from a liquidity sweep, yeah? So mitigation, we had this. I know as this was coming, it's going to sweep something. So it took out this level. Took out this level. So this was where I engaged. I think it was 4 pips I used that day. So, boom.
Yeah.
This was it. So as soon as this happened, I told you, this was news. You know, this is news event. So
yeah.
We had this sell rejection here. So this is now my last order flow for buy, correct? So not this. Not continue. This was the area.
So it should continue from there. Yeah.
Exactly. So as soon as this failed here, as soon as it failed here, I switched. I think I got in here. I think it was 6 pips, I guess. Yeah, I got in there.
But why there?
And because it failed.
But the entry.
The entry. As soon as it's failed, look at it. Look at the logic. Buy, correct?
Yeah.
Buy, correct? Fail here, correct? So I took it from here. But I wanted to take it from here, but I said let me just hold on and watch it and see. As soon as I saw this candle, boom, I got in, and my stop loss was just at the high, and we had the sell-off.
Weren't you afraid? Weren't you afraid of this? Wait.
Do you know why I was so confident on this? NY. Volatility, news, volatility. So I knew if they're going to sell this guy, they're just going to take off. The same thing happened today. I can show you the same thing happened today, and I got in on that one. The same thing happened here. I was in this buy. I was in this buy. I was in this buy here. I was in this sell here. My broker took me. I don't know how they took me out. I was in this sell. Yeah, I was in this buy. Then as soon as it failed here, I was in this sell. See that?
Okay. Yeah.
So I don't think we'll be doing much. Maybe, I don't know. But is there any question you have? Let me just give you the time to ask questions. If there's any question, ask. If there's anything you want to talk about.
Like, I want to go through today's price action, but the thing is that I don't have time.
You don't have time, okay.
Yeah, I need to go. But
No.
what I will do is after training, I will
Yeah.
try to use the same logic that you explained me about
Exactly. Just
today's price action,
use this
and I will
use
send you the
this.
markup if this
There's
if
no
this is
problem.
good.
Use the same logic
Hmm.
to do this.
Yeah, yeah.
Now let me also note my M1 stuff. During the news, it may not happen. You may not get that.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
just
But
get the sweep.
I saw this sell, to be honest, but I
Exactly.
wasn't
Yeah.
there because
Yeah. Yeah.
M15 closed bearish and it mitigated extreme and then sell.
Yeah. Check.
Yeah.
You check for those stuff. Just check for them
Okay.
around these levels and see what.
Yeah, I
And
will.
see. Okay, can we do that now?
Sorry, I really need to go because my
All right.
friend's waiting for me. So
All right. All right. It's fine. There's no
yeah.
problem.
Okay, I really appreciate your Zoom, and please
Yeah.
send me the when you
The
save
videos.
the
Yeah, I
recording.
will.
Yeah.
I wish send. I'm sure going to send you the videos.
Yeah. Sorry, I really need to go now.
No, no problem. No problem, bro.
Thanks for this.
There's no problem. You're welcome, man.
It really helps.
Yeah.
It will
Have a
really help me. So
have a fruitful
yeah,
training. Yeah.
yeah. I have training. So
All right. Take care. My regards to
okay,
everyone.
okay. Yeah. Got to go. So enjoy
Yeah.
and
Enjoy.
thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah. If you need any help, just let me know. I'm always
Uh,
here. So.
it's fine.